Hello, animal artists. We're continuing our Carnival of the Animals project inspired by the composer Camille Saint-Saëns. He wrote a piece of music to go with every animal he loved. And I asked you on your 6 by 9 inch piece of white paper to draw a favorite animal of yours. And I did a raccoon because our school mascot is the raccoon, Rocky Raccoon. So I finished drawing, I finished coloring, and now I'm going to put this off to the side. I'm also going to put off to the side my scissors and glue and train paper, because the first thing we're going to work on today is our wheels. So take your black piece of paper, please fold it in half and kiss the corners. That means they are matching right there. Okay, you got it creased and everything? It doesn't really matter where the crease is, because what we're gonna do is either draw or trace a circle onto this black piece of paper. Now, to make it easier for you to see, I have grabbed a white colored pencil because it's hard for you to see on a video my pencil line in regular pencil. I also found this tracer, a lid, and look at that, amazing, it just barely fits. So if you would like to watch, I will give you some time to pause, of course, and go find a tracer if you like. And you'll trace it onto your black paper like this. Would you like to go find a tracer? Pause here if you want to find one and trace it onto your paper, and then you can hit play again when you're ready to go on to the next step. For the next step, you are going to get your scissors. I'm going to use my grown-up art teacher scissors, and I'm going to leave my paper folded in half so there is a top and a bottom. I remember to put my thumb in this oval, my fingers in the big jelly bean shape. My thumb is on the top, my scissors pointing away from me, and I'm opening nice and wide and then moving my paper with this hand so that my scissors always stay pointed forward. They don't move. It's my other hand that moves the paper into the scissor. I feed it into the scissors like this. Okay. Once you have your wheels done, here we go. We're gonna put these off to the side. We're gonna cut out our train next. So here we go. All right, everybody, now that we have the train cut out, you can make a choice. Do you like the black line on the front? If you don't, you can flip it over and have it plain like this on the other side. Let's see, I kind of like the black line on the front, so I'm gonna leave mine here. I'm gonna find my wheels and my glue. We're going to glue our wheels onto our train about right here. So looking at this top section, you can imagine coming straight down, that's where you center your wheels. Half on the train, half off the train. So how do we do gluing for that job? Well, this is what we're gonna do. We are going to, remember how we open our glue, we twist it so that the orange comes above the white part and you see that little space. Then we squeeze it to see if we have air. If we can hear it, that means it's gonna work. But if you don't hear it, close it again, scrape off any extra glue that you have on the top, and then try opening it again, and you're ready to go. All right, gluing our wheels on, here we go. Just a dot, not a lot. First, place your wheels where you want them, then one at a time, just lift up the wheel, put just a dot on the train. Do you see I didn't put it too close to the edge? And I put my wheel on, half on the train, half off of the train. It might also help you to have a messy mat underneath you while you're working, just so that you don't accidentally glue your train to the table you're working on. That would be tragic. The next thing we're going to do today is the last thing we're gonna find our animal. I would like for you to please take your glue, put your glue on the back. You can see I had a mess up. So even the art teacher has to use their other side of their paper sometime if they didn't like their first drawing. See that? So now you're gonna flip it over. I want you to center it so it's not touching the wheels, equal amount of paper on either side, and it's not touching the top. We're gonna leave some space up here because later we are going to decorate. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, everybody, once you have your animal and your wheels glued onto your train, you are done for the day. I hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see all your trains. Take care. Bye-bye.